Hey, Elaine with Sweet Stampin' here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this heart card using the Adoring Hearts bundle. Here is my heart window card. This cute card was made with the Adoring Hearts bundle, which includes a hybrid embossing folder. This is really cool because you can use the die inside the folder, and it will not only emboss, but it will cut out all of the cute little hearts for you. Plus, there are a whole bunch of other dies that you can use as well. So I went ahead and cut out 4 of the hearts and cut this to 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. And then I have 4 pieces of the Most Adored Designer Series paper, which you can earn for free when you purchase the bundle. So I've picked out 4 different patterns, and it has gold on the back. All of them have gold foil, which is really pretty. And then this real red is 4 by 4, and this is a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece of 8 1/2 by 4 1/4 scored at 4 1/4 piece of Flirty Flamingo. So I'm going to start by arranging these how I want them to show for the hearts, and then I'm just going to adhere them down. They are 1 3/4 inch squares, and I'm just going to place them towards the middle. All right, now that I've made sure everything fits in my windows, you can pick the debossed side or the embossed side. So the embossed side has the raised hearts. I'm gonna do the embossed side. I like the hearts raised up. And you're just gonna add a ton of dimensionals. Now I'm going to stamp this sentiment with all my heart on this piece. So I used this smallest die from the Countryside Corners dies, and I'm going to shorten it by just running it through the machine one more time like this. So just remember that you can shorten any die or lengthen any die using that trick. And that is my Hearts window card. When you place a $35 order using my current host code, you can earn this kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Adoring Hearts kit, which includes 1 of each of these cards.